back to Inside Out Park TV. In this video, we're going to talk about Magic Band Plus. I'm going to answer all your questions. What is Magic Band Plus? How do you buy one and set it up? And what are the new and fun things that it does? And of course, give you the inside out tips and tricks along the way. Magic Band Plus is everything the traditional Magic Band is, plus fun interactive opportunities. They share a lot of the same functions, such as the bands are used to unlock your resort hotel room, enter the theme park, and also save all those fun PhotoPass photos. These functions are linked via the My Disney Experience app. The newly released Lightning Lane reservations are accessed using your bands as well. And don't forget, while staying at a Disney resort, you have the option to charge purchases and dining experiences back to your room using your Magic Band. No matter type of Magic Band you choose to use, the ease of having everything in one place is very convenient. Ordering the bands via My Disney Experience tends to be the easiest and less expensive option. Be sure to allow plenty of time for shipping. I suggest placing the order no later than 45 days before travel. Simply log on to your My Disney Experience account via web browser. The app does not have ordering function at this time. Go to My Magic Bands and Cards section to get started. Here you'll be able to select the band for each person traveling. If someone doesn't want or need a band, you can select to not order one for them. Everyone has to order or opt out all at once. Here I'm showing the current options, but these will change as new designs become available. At the end of the Magic Band Plus options, you will also find the traditional Magic Band options that can be selected as well. Complete the steps for purchasing, but confirm that your shipping address is correct. This is key. If you're traveling sooner than 45 days, the bands can be purchased when you arrive at Walt Disney World. Each resort has a selection of bands in their gift shop, and most of the shops at each of the parks have a selection as well. Since the bands require chargers, the stores also sell extra charging cords. All right, let's get into the setup steps now that you have your Magic Band in hand. The first thing to do once you have your new Magic Band is to charge it. These bands require a charge to complete the setup process. Keep this in mind if you want to purchase your band at Walt Disney World. You'll want to have the portable charger with you. Log into your My Disney Experience and scroll down until you see the Unlock Magic Band Plus option. Then scroll down to the bottom of the next screen and select the Link a Magic Band Plus button. Here you will tap the Magic Band to the back of your phone. For iPhone, it is typically towards the top of the phone, and this will pair the two together. Continue to follow the directions on the app, which asks you to choose the person this Magic Band will belong to. Once the band is assigned to a person, it cannot be changed to someone else. Once the Magic Band is linked, you will need to update the band to the latest version. Be patient, as this process of updating may take a little while. Once the app shows that the band is up to date, the process is complete, and now you're ready to use the new interactive features. Now that we have all of the setup done and your Magic Band's ready to go, one of the interactive features of this band that can be used in all 4 theme parks is the 50th Fab Quest. For this, you will need to log into Play Disney app. You'll be able to use the same login that you use on your My Disney Experience on this new app. I know all of these apps and updates can be confusing and overwhelming, but I'm here to show you a step-by-step process. Once you've logged into the Play Disney, you will find the Fab 50 game. Side note, there are some other fun activities here that do not require Magic Band Plus. To activate the 50th statues, you simply walk up towards the statue and your band will start to vibrate and light up. Then you wave your arm in front of that statue and listen for the interaction. This might take a few tries to activate. Each statue does have a few different variations, so try several times. On a few of the statues, there is the ability to open a fun, augmented reality screen. You'll need to find a vertical, hard surface to make this work properly. We typically use a trash can because they're always around. How cool is that? Let's move on to Patu at Galaxy's Edge to become a bounty hunter. Again, you'll be using the Disney Play app for this experience. The app does go through all the instructions, but when you walk up to scan for your first assignment, you'll also be given instructions as well. Once you have your assignment, you'll follow those instructions on the app and also use your magic band. The band will turn red if you're heading in the wrong direction and also turn green and start flashing the closer you get to your bounty. The band will flash purple when the target is located. Continue using your app and your band along the way. Once you have them captured, you will head to the Guildmaster's hideout to collect your credits. Then you're ready for your next assignment. Go ahead.
I see you found the first bounty. Not bad. But you'll need to collect a lot more to join the Bounty Hunters Guild. Here are your credits.
Thanks for watching this episode of Inside Out TV. We'll see you next time.